participated in the WOW because I wanted to learn how to feel. In my life, I had many habits which were a way for me to avoid my feelings. And when I became aware of that, I got curious. Actually, what is it that I don't want to feel? What is it that I do want to feel? And the WOW was a perfect setting for me to learn how to feel again.
I participated in the WOW to get deeper, to find my heart. I've already been meditating a lot in silent meditation, but I felt something is missing.
I learned to express what I want in the moment. And that sounds very simple, but for me to actually be aware of what I want has been a challenge, because I've been always busy with feeling what other people want or taking care of other people. So my focus was mostly outside of myself. And now I learned to feel myself more and to connect with what is living inside of me, and then to see, hey, what is it that I need right now and how can I create it, and then to express that.
One of the big change I see also is that I can more easily make a switch in my state of mind. I can decide that I want to be in a positive state of mind. I can decide that it's not a good time to be sad because I want to party with my friends.
I was doing the WOW with one of my close friends, and we were in a session and the group leader was playing Imagine by John Lennon, and we had to hug each other and say the sentence, "I love you just the way you are." And I looked at him and I could tell that he was struggling, and because he was struggling, he was being really hard on himself. And I was also struggling, and I looked at him and I said, "I love you just the way you are." And then I hugged him, and when I closed my eyes, I felt like my heart exploded, and I had this music going on in the background. and I was crying and hugging him, and he was crying, and I felt like, wow, this friendship is worth everything to me.
What impressed me the most was who I became after doing a whole month of work together with other people.
I was very touched by how close we actually got to each other, even though we were so many. You know, it was like just within a few days, everyone was just deciding to jump and open up. We really created this feeling of being a family for a whole month.
The WOW is 1 month with a beautiful crowd of other participants who become your best friends.
The WOW is like a pressure cooker where you put a lot of things in, and after 4 weeks a very delicious meal comes out, and it tastes very delicious, and you get nourished not only for the moment you eat it, but for the rest of your life.
I cannot describe the WOW with my mind. It's impossible. It's about a feeling, like this feeling when you're falling in love, or this feeling when you're going down a roller coaster and it just goes down. This feeling when you're jumping off a cliff or driving a fast car. You're looking for this feeling in your life. And in the WOW, you can experience that every single day.